What's up guys, iDevice Help here. Welcome back to the channel. Today I wanted to share with you guys some unique features and secret options in iPhone 12 that you probably did not know about. Now this could help you make up your mind to see if you would like to upgrade to iPhone 12 from a previous generation iPhone, because a lot of this stuff Apple really did not talk about. So let's dive right in. Now the first thing I want to talk about is size. The iPhone 12 and iPhone 12 Pro are the exact same size and footprint. So why is this important? Well, number one, not all users know that this is the case. iPhone 12 and 12 Pro are the exact same size and footprint, which means if you buy a case for an iPhone 12, the 12 Pro can also use that case. So it'll fit perfectly for both devices. So that's definitely a plus. Now, if you have more than one iPhone or you share iPhone cases around the house, that's definitely a benefit. Now, another great thing about iPhone 12 and 5G is that now Apple added the ability to share Hotspot over 5 gigahertz dual network, which means with 5G, if you share your hotspot with other devices and you're connected to 5G, the speeds will be dramatically improved when you share your hotspot connection with other devices. Definitely a plus. Now, 5G also enables other things on iPhone 12. For example, if you head on over to General and Software Updates and you have a software update, the iPhone will now allow you to download the software update without having to be connected to Wi-Fi, so as long as you have a 5G connection on iPhone. So no longer will you have to wait to be connected to Wi-Fi to get that latest software update with iPhone 12. Now, of course, a MagSafe is a big deal for the iPhone 12. You drop your iPhone with the alignment of the magnets, and it'll start charging just like so, obviously. So this brings other options and enables other features on iPhone 12 as well. So number one is a brand new MagSafe UI. So when you drop your iPhone to charge, there you go, you get a brand new UI right there telling you that it's charging, and a new home screen UI. By the way, I do have a video on how to get that on other iPhones, but you do have to be jailbroken, the UI that is. So that's one of the things that MagSafe brings. Now, another great thing about MagSafe is that if you buy an Apple case right here, this is the silicon plum color, and you drop your iPhone in the case, once it detects the case, it actually lights up the color of the case, which is really cool. Check this out. There it is. It lights up sort of plum color. There it is. Really cool. I really like that feature a lot. And obviously, you can charge MagSafe through the case as well. So that's also another cool option. Another great feature on iPhone 12 is the display. The display on iPhone 12 is brighter than any other generation of iPhone. And this is important, of course, if you're outside in direct sunlight, you can see your content a lot better. And it's really noticeable, actually, because me coming from an iPhone 11 going to an iPhone 12, definitely noticed the difference on the display brightness. It is insane how bright the display is on the iPhone 12. So yeah, definitely an advantage there as well. And probably one of my favorite features of iPhone 12 doesn't really have to do with software features. It's actually a hardware feature. And that is the new display or glass on the iPhone 12 isn't even glass. It's called ceramic shield. Now this uses ceramic crystals to create a layer on the iPhone's display, which Apple says could be up to 4 times stronger than the previous generation glass used on iPhone 11 and previous generation of iPhones. So if you drop your iPhone, your chances of your glass or the front display breaking are a lot less with iPhone 12. And this is for all iPhones across the board: iPhone 12, 12 Pro, 12 mini, and 12 Pro Max. So all iPhones have the new ceramic shield glass, which is obviously one of the big selling points for iPhone 12. And there you guys have it. Those are some of the iPhone 12 secret features, options, and things you may not know about. If you're looking to upgrade, this may help you make up your mind if it's a suitable upgrade for you. Thank you for watching today's video, guys, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.